Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the electric ratchet wrench. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient tool to boost your productivity in automotive or mechanical tasks, the CCI RT600B electric ratchet wrench stands out as a solid option. Combining power, convenience, and thoughtful design, this electric wrench is built to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Product features: powerful performance, boasts an impressive 90 Nm of torque and a 200 RPM speed, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications from vehicle maintenance to general home repairs. Dual 2000 mAh batteries, offers 50% longer runtime compared to many other 12V tools, reducing downtime significantly. Fast charging, comes with a quick charger to keep you working without long interruptions. LED work light, built-in bright LED light enhances visibility in dark or cramped workspaces. Ergonomic design, features a rubber grip handle and ergonomic structure to reduce fatigue during prolonged use. Compact build, lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for tight spaces and small-scale projects. Safety lock, a built-in safety lock switch prevents accidental startups, ensuring user safety. Pros: strong torque output for tackling tough jobs with ease. Extended battery life supports longer working sessions. Quick charger minimizes downtime between uses. LED lighting is ideal for low light conditions, eliminating the need for extra light sources. Comfortable grip reduces hand and wrist strain during extended use. Compact and portable, making storage and handling hassle-free. Safety lock adds a protective layer, especially in busy or cluttered environments. Cons: limited to 200 RPM, which may be slower for tasks requiring higher speed. Not ideal for heavy industrial use, better suited for light to medium duty tasks. Battery pack adds slight bulk, though it's still quite manageable. Final thoughts: the CCI RT600B electric ratchet wrench is a well-rounded tool that brings excellent value, especially for automotive and general mechanical work. Its blend of power, extended battery life, and ergonomic design makes it a go-to choice for users seeking efficiency and comfort. While it may not suit heavy-duty industrial applications, it's an outstanding option for most common tasks around the garage or workshop. Check the price link in the description, and subscribe to Tech Product for more video.